Good morning, everyone. I am Shubham Kumar from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today, we are going to discuss on the subject of web development and application with the topic of how to create a table in HTML with example. So, this is the content. So, learn about the basic of tables, create simple two-dimensional tables, format tables, create table with complex structures. Now, the second one is introduction to tables. So, table are grid made up of rows and columns. The introduction of a row and column is called cell. Table can contain text, additional markup, other tables, images, and just about anything else. Table are block level elements. What are the basic table tags? So the table tag is the outermost tag and mark the table. The depreciated border attribute defines the width of a border surrounded the table. This tr tag appears inside the table tag to mark a table row. Then td appears inside the tr tag to mark the table data cell. Now the basic table tag examples: create a table with 2 pixel borders. So table border to this is the code which we have as an example to see the pixel border of a creation of table in a creation of table. So tr, so td is equal to column 1 td column 2 we have written, then we have to close with tr and tr. So td is data 1, td is data 2, so then we have also closed both with td. So tr, we have when we have opened first tr then close tr, then table we have to close it. So this is the example. So we can get this as output. So basic table tags output. Now the table, that is caption and headers. The caption elements appear as a child of a table and contain the table's title. The caption appears just above the table itself. The th element is similar to the tr element but contains the table header. The header is typically emphasized. So tables. There is a example of table caption and headers. So this is a table example. The table border is equal to then caption monthly saving. So we have just closed the captions. Then we have table tr is open. Then th that month. Then close the month with saving. Then closing. So tr table row is open. Then table row we have to close. Then again table row is open. Then we have written January. Then table document is equal to $100. Again closing the table row. This is the table. So this is the example of monthly savings we have seen here. Next is table groupings. The head, foot, uh, th, t-foot, and t-body tags are used to group table parts, header, footer, body. Note that t-foot must appear after t-body, table body. It is used for dynamic table scrolling, which most browsers do not yet support. These are also logical rather than physical elements. These are the table attributes. The border attributes define the thickness of a table's border. Value is measured in pixels. The cell padding attributes define the number of pixels from the cell wall to the cell content. The cell spacing attributes define the number of pixels between cells. We typically do the CSS, but we have not discussed CSS yet. Then we have column and cell attributes. So this is align, they justify the text within the column, right or left enter. Width, the width of a column, use relative or absolute widths. Width is 25%, then 25% of the table. The width is 100 pixel, that is 100 pixel of a table. So we align, this vertical alignment. The values is equal to top, middle, bottom, baseline, supported by table also. So next is table column. The column, the col tag is used to appear as a child of the table or column group tag. Tag and describes formatting for the entire column. It's often easier than formatting individual row or cells. The column group tag is used to apply formatting to several groups, several columns. So table columns example, center of a data the first column and right justified the second column. This is the table border, one and center and alignment we have set here. The next is cell spanning. Some tables have cells that must span multiple rows and columns. That row span attribute is used to create a cell that span multiple rows. Next is column span. Attribute is used to create a cell that span multiple columns. This is the example of cell spanning, that is illustration. So we have seen here the quarter, first, second, third, and fourth. That we have written as some column and the rows we have made here. So this is the following example of the table will span multiple rows and columns. Next is table formatting and CSS. We have not discussed CSS yet, but I want to mention it there. Everything is a box in the eye of CSS. A table is a box, a table row is a box, a table cell is a box, a nested table is also just a box. Next is table formatting, that is conflicts. Cell formatting overrides row formatting. Row formatting overrides table formatting. So these are the formatting conflicts. Uh, for thank you for today's class.